We're gonna start by dicing up some shallots. Just cut it down the middle. And then we're just gonna make some cuts here. And we're gonna turn it to we're gonna turn them to dice them up. Next, we're gonna drizzle a tiny bit of olive oil, just a tiny bit, just so things don't stick. Next, we're gonna add the salmon skin side down. Just like that. Next, we're gonna add Boursin in the middle. This is the one I got, black truffle with sea salt. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. We're gonna put it right in the middle. Next, we're gonna add our cherry tomatoes. Just add them all over the place. It doesn't really matter. Next, we're gonna add our chopped shallots. Just add them all around. We're gonna add the feta cheese. Just sprinkle it all around. And try not to cover the salmon, that way it roasts evenly. We're gonna add the zest of 1 lemon. Just go ahead and add it on there. Next, we're gonna sprinkle some salt. Just add some salt all over. Sprinkle some black pepper. Now we're going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning. And lastly, we're going to drizzle some olive oil. And we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While that's baking, we're gonna go ahead and boil our pasta. I'm using Rotini, just use whatever you like. And we're gonna follow the instructions on the box for al dente. Mine says 7 to 8 minutes. And just mix it around occasionally so that they don't stick. Now let's go ahead and drain our pasta. After 30 minutes, your pan should be done. Now we're gonna wanna mash the cherry tomatoes. And now we're just gonna wanna mix everything up. You're gonna wanna make sure you just mix everything evenly. So just keep mixing it. Now we're gonna add lemon juice from 1 lemon. Along with some Parmesan cheese. And mix it up. Now add your pasta. And mix it up. I ended up using the juice from 2 lemons and I added more salt. This dish is to die for.